So I was gonna use this to make myself, of course, and then a couple other sort of custom brick heads. I'm more likely than not gonna make my wife. I'll probably make hers first. I just realized that this set allows you to build Noni, which is the all white. This is the blank brick head. I figured what better way to teach you how to build a base brick head that you can then from there, switching out pieces, make your own.
Okay, so here is the BrickHead. It's a head, a body, some little legs, and a stand. Stand is optional. They don't really need them. So yeah, the body. It's these pieces. Very simple pieces. 4x4 plate, and we're just gonna use these 1x4 bricks there for the back and front, and these 1x2 tiles. Just to build a little platform for this weird piece, which is a 1x2 brick by 4. It's weird. So yeah, we're gonna build like a little box with these 1x4s, and any of these pieces can be changed around if you wanted to change the colors, but this is the bog standard brick head. So we're gonna build a little box. There's our little box. We're gonna get these 2x2 round bricks. They can be any color. This is not going to be seen. This is a hidden sort of structural piece. I think they usually try to match it to like guts and stuff. So this one's green. And then just top it off with a 4x4 plate, and you have your little box. And those studs on the side, we're gonna build the hand right here. I've already built one, and we're gonna build the other one. This is a 2x2 plate, a 1x2 tile, smooth tile, and a 1x2 with clip, and that's its little arm. And we're gonna put that one there, and then the other one, and there you go. You've totally built a body. So now we're gonna move on to the head. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. Adorable. Oh my god. And these are all the pieces. It looks more complicated than it is. You're gonna grab the body because we're gonna build on that. Put this right in the center, this weird brick. This is like the BrickHead bricks. I think this actual brick here is the most produced brick of all time for Lego. So standard 2x2 bricks. These are like what we grew up with. A little 2x2 round plate, and another standard 2x2 brick, and that's like its brain. Those red ones again, and these like internal pieces could be any color, but they usually do the brain pink. And then these things, and just you kind of have to offset them, so notice how the pattern should look like. Okay, we're gonna move on to the face. The face is easy. You start with these 4x4 plates, big old face, put your face on. And then a 2x4 tile, smooth. It could be anything, This is where the eyes are gonna go. It's a 1x4 tile with those two studs, and then another 1x4 tile. It's its mouth. Here are the eyes. These are the BrickHead printed eyes. The big square goes on the top. The little square goes on the bottom right. There we go. We gotta give him a side of the head. He's got no skin. Okay, so it's a 2x4 tile, a 2x2 tile, a 1x2 plate. We need those two studs there in a sec, and a 1x2 tile. So it's all smooth, and then this 1x2 cheese wedge. And that's its ear. Its little ear. It's exactly the same on the other side, so just flip them over and do the exact mirror of that. I kind of did it already. So yeah, there we go. There. Now we're going to do the top of the head. This is where hair would go. It's just a 4x4 tile. That's it. Boom. Ready to go. The back, 4x4 tile. And this is to sort of hide those internals. And then a 2x4 tile. Wait, did I say tile? Plates and tiles, whatever. You understand what I'm saying. Those things. And then flip them upside down. These are just the last three pieces. A 2x4 plate, and then a 1x2 two 1x2 bricks. If that makes any sense. Anyway, just follow along with those pieces. They're very standard pieces. This is what the stand looks like. Look, it's like a mirror of its head, and then it just pops on right there, and that's it. Yeah, That's how you build a standard BrickHead. Thank you very much. Back to me in the studio. I don't ever say that. I don't know why I said that. Sorry. Just, yeah, it'll come back on in a sec. There we go.
And that's Noni. That's the little mascot for the BrickHeadz. I've always wanted a little Noni. So I'm glad that I was able to build it with this thing. Of course, I'm working on my own BrickHeadz. I'm working on 2 of them right now and 2 more in the works. So, you know, I'm working on some stuff. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Roll a thing!